Technical Textiles offers new ways, means and opportunity to the Indian textile industry to sustain the present growth and thrive in near future. It would offer not only an opportunity for augmentation of the growth, but also a new direction for advancement of the industry. The field of technical textiles had not received adequate importance in the Indian context so far. However, it is a potential area where the textile industry can excel. Traditional textiles today are unable to cope with cost of production for various reasons like fast technological obsolescence, high cost of modernization, power, etc. Present product mix of traditional textiles are not remunerative enough, and therefore more and more ideas of value addition to textile products is gaining momentum. Technical textiles in this context are just perfect. With the growing dominance of technical textiles can be classified into 12 groups from the application point of view. They are Agrotech, agriculture, horticulture and forestry; Buildtech, building and construction; Cloth-tech, technical components of shoes and clothing; Geotech, geotextiles and civil engineering; Home-tech, components of furniture, household textiles and floor coverings; Indutech, filtration, cleaning and other industrial materials; Meditech, hygiene and medical; Mobiltech, automobiles, shipping, railways and aerospace; Ocotech, environmental protection; Pactech, packaging; Protech, personal and property protection; and Sporttech, sport and leisure. The Government of India, during its 11th 5-year plan, that is April 2007 to March 2012, has initiated and has continued with several positive schemes to support the growth of non-woven and technical textile industry. The National Mission for Technical Textiles was launched on September 1, 2007 in New Delhi. This ambitious mission has a budget of $170 million for the next 5-year period. The main aim of the mission is to grow the current technical textile industry to a size of around $12 to $15 billion by 2012. This mission spans the entire spectrum of the technical textile industry and focuses on those areas that will aid the growth of the industry. The government has identified 4 important sectors within the technical textile industry for immediate attention and growth. These are Meditech, Geotech, Agrotech and Protech.
The industry has full confidence at the people of NITRA, its director and all the scientists who are attached to it, and are comfortable that this center of excellence will become a flagship center of excellence in our country. Looking to the potential for high growth of this new branch of textile manufacturing, Ministry of Textiles has granted Rs 25 crores to NITRA to establish this center of excellence.
In 2007-2008, production of ballistic protective clothing was of 253.6 crore. Expenditure of Rs 0.64 crore was for import, 4.2 crore for export and Rs 250 crore for domestic consumption. This market is going to double itself in 2012-2013 with a domestic consumption of Rs 500 crore and potential export of rupees 4.6 crore. Market size for all types of Protech was of rupees 1,259 crore in 2007-2008 and it is expected to reach rupees 2,021 crore in 2012-2013 with potential export of 54.3 crore.
The industry is also taking a lot of interest because the industry believes that technical textiles is a very promising area for growth within the textile space. Earlier, India was focusing only on conventional textiles, but today, because of huge opportunity in the Asian countries, people are looking at this area, which will be both very exciting not only for domestic consumption but also for exports.
Based on expertise and technical capability, the Project Evaluation Committee, constituted by the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, under the chairmanship of Secretary Textiles for selection of Centers of Excellence, has designated North India Textile Research Association and IIT New Delhi with NITRA as lead partners as Center of Excellence for Protective Textiles, also called as COE Protech. Aims of COE Protech are development of protective textile products, preparation of standards and specification for these products, create state-of-the-art testing facilities to carry out quality evaluation of all these products as per all international standards, especially American and European standards. As the industry is at infant stage, the Center of Excellence is also geared up to impart training to all levels of personnel so that skilled manpower is available. It is also actively involved in sensitizing the stakeholders by conducting workshops and seminars. The center has incubation facilities to assist the entrepreneurs to test techno-economic viability of new products before launching them in the market. Thus, it helps the entrepreneurs to minimize the risk while venturing into new product environments or high-risk professions has increased demand for improved protective apparel and accessories. Protective textiles are part of the personal protective equipments family and represents a specific area of the advanced technical textiles. A strongly growing market for the textile industry, satisfying an increasing demand for high-performance requirements. Personal protective textiles are produced with the aim of eliminating or minimizing the risk of injuries, accidents and infections, acting as shields against chemical, biological and nuclear hazards, high temperatures and fire, sharp objects and ballistic projectiles.
Under COE Protech, now we have developed our NITRA laboratory in big way. Now, for example, recently we have developed our fire testing laboratory. In this fire testing laboratory, we can test all type of protective textile material that can be used for protecting human being when there is a flame and heat.
NITRA has been working in this emerging area of textiles for the last 10 years. It has participated and conducted a series of seminars, workshops and training program over the period. And with its concerted effort, technical textiles have found a place in the new textile policy of the Government of India. Besides this, it has also engaged various types of R&D activities and product development activities related to technical textiles in the country. Recently, NITRA has drafted a white paper on formulation of regulations in respect to safety industrial workwear, heat and flame. The technical textile covered under Protech are bulletproof jackets, fire retardant apparels and fabrics, NBC suits, high visibility clothing, chemical protection clothing, industrial gloves, high altitude clothing, and electrical protective suits. Indian Defence Forces, with a total strength of around 1.5 million individuals comprising the Army, Navy and Air Force, is one of the largest consumers of protective textiles. Approximately 25 to 30% of the troops is involved in high-risk, counter-insurgency and special operations in super high altitude areas and requires protective clothing.
The domestic consumption of protective textiles is expected to be around 2,500 crores of rupees by 2012-13. In the next 5 years, the protective textiles industry is expected to achieve a compounded annual growth at the rate of 15 to 20%. One of the prime objectives of the Center of Excellence is to create favorable ambience so that Indian entrepreneurs get enough confidence to invest in the emerging technical textiles manufacturing business.
For Protech, a big market is ahead, and thus Nitra carries a challenging responsibility. The production of different items of technical textile industry has been slowly but steadily increasing in the country. And Nitra, being the center of excellence, Protech is playing a great role in achieving excellence with the help and direction of Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. The facilities being created at Nitra under COE Protech for development of protective textile products create state-of-the-art testing facilities to carry out quality evaluation of all these products as per national and international standards. The center will also have incubation facilities to assist the entrepreneurs to test techno-economic viability of new products before launching them in the market. Few instruments that have been installed at COE Protech are fire resistance test apparatus that is used to test coated and uncoated textile as per Appendix 5 of UIC 5642 specification. This instrument is smoke visibility test apparatus. It determines the deterioration of visibility due to smoke released on combustion of materials as per Appendix 15 of UIC 5642 International Specification. This is Toxicity Index Tester. It determines toxicity index of material as per NCD 1409. This is limiting oxygen index. Different samples are determined by standardized tests such as IS 13501, ISO 4589 and ASTM D2863. This is molten metal splash tester. In this test method, small quantity of molten metal is poured on true specimen and the damage is assessed by placing a PVC skin stimulant directly behind the specimen. Radiant heat tester, convective heat tester and high visibility textile material testing instruments are a few testing instruments among many established in Center of Excellence Protech. Nitra Ghaziabad is serving the nation at their best. Ministry of Textiles, Government of India believes and is relying on this Center of Excellence, which is called Protech.